Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 essay stream. This is question number 2 of part 2 from the topic probability. Question says let S is equal to set 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Suppose B and C are chosen at random from the set S. The probability that quadratic 4x square plus bx plus c has equal roots is, and we are given 4 options. When we are given that roots are equal, so very first thought that comes is d to be equal to 0, and here d is b square minus 16c, and that should be equal to 0. So b square is equal to 16c, and hence b to be equal to 4 root c. Okay, now because b is coming from the set having element 1 to 100, so on the right hand side, root c should also be a rational number. So c should be a perfect square. Otherwise, b cannot belong to 1 to 100. Okay, so here c should be perfect square. And out of these 100 numbers, we have perfect square numbers as 1, 4, 9 and so on up to 100. I think they are 10 in number. And for every value of c, like 1, I think we are getting a fixed value of b, which will be 4 here. For c equal to 4, b will be 8 here. For c is equal to 9, b will be 12 here. And similarly for 100, b will be 40 here. So you can see for every selection of c, there is exactly one value of b. Okay, so if we find probability so that roots are equal, I think it will be number of ways to select C and then B upon total number of ways to select B and C. Okay, now here number of ways of select C is 10, and for each C we have one way to select B. Okay, upon here number of ways to select B can be 10, can be 100, because if there is no condition there are 100 ways to choose B, and for C also it is 100 because we are not given that B and C should be same or different. So we will be taking all possible scenarios. So it becomes 1 upon 1000. So answer for this will be 0.001. So answer of this question is A. Okay, so this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.